So today we're going to be looking at a mini portable projector. This model in particular is called the Mogo 2 Pro from XGIMI. My interest in showcasing a device like this to you guys really perked up when I found out it's a complete full multimedia system. Like, you can connect your PlayStation or your Xbox consoles to this, a Fire Stick. You can watch YouTube videos. It has internet accessibility and Chromecast functions. The starting price for this device is $599 and supports a standard resolution of 1080p along with 4K through external video outputs like from the PlayStation 5. On the back of the device, you have a USB-C port to supply power, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and next to that you have a headphones port. Setting up this device was fast and easy no matter how you had it placed or set up in your room. I like to go with the tripod just so I had a little bit more control over how the light hit my wall. But regardless, one thing that's amazing about this projector is that it'll automatically adjust its focus and positioning based on the angle that the light is hitting the wall or surface. If you need to further tweak or customize the way that your image looks on your wall, you can always manually adjust these settings by adjusting the keystone points or the image placement. Finally gonna get the chance to try out this projector with my PlayStation 5 console. I've already got it hooked up with the HDMI cable in the back of the device, which goes all the way down to the PlayStation 5. I gotta give props to like how bright and vibrant the colors are on this display. Like, obviously this is best at night. Daylight, it's not gonna do justice. But I'm enjoying this thoroughly. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna make it out of this round just because, oh my gosh, I was stuck there for so long. Yeah, just because of the delay, it's so hard to kind of sense. Oh my God, I'm so dead. Nothing I can do there. It's just too much jumping. We had some decent games on Fall Guys, but I was definitely experiencing a little bit of input latency using this device. I would say it's not more than maybe 0.3 of a second. It's not a ton, but if you need fast response time in a game, then you definitely don't want to be playing off a projector. Get yourself a gaming monitor with 1 millisecond of response time instead. But there's still one more game I want to try out, and that is a role-playing game. So I've been playing through The Last of Us Part 2 for a bit now, and this gaming experience has been really good, really positive, and it's so cool that I get to put this on such a big screen. So it really feels immersive on top of the speaker quality coming out of the projector right now. I must say, guys, what a fun device this was to test and try out. It honestly surpassed my expectations because I was expecting it just to be a basic projector display unit. Think of it in terms of a Fire Stick having a baby with a projector. This is what you get. I was pleased how fast it was to boot the device. You can access and control the apps and features of this projector by using the remote control that came out of the box, or you can use the remote ATV Android app on your phone. The internal fan never got too loud. The speaker quality was solid. The image quality was great, especially at nighttime. During the day, the image wasn't as impressive, and this is due to the fact that the projector is only outputting up to 400 lumens of light. As for my gaming experience, I thoroughly enjoyed it, even if it was at 0.3 of a delay, as long as you're not playing games that are heavily focused on your response time and quickness. This is an absolute joy to use, especially on a big screen. If you guys are looking to pick up this product, check out the affiliate links in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.